just coming up to the last 2 sections. I've just stopped and mixed some more. I've just mixed 9 of the colour, so I've mixed 18 of the 12 voles. Okay, so we're just going to finish off the front. There should be enough here, fingers crossed. I'll just show you the other block it is taking. You see it's definitely going lighter than the light's a little bit in the way here. But there is definitely something happening, so we'll see what goes on there. It will be interesting to see the results. I'm going to wash them without toning them or anything, okay, so you can see the true results. Okay, and then I'm going to cut them, and then I'm going to blow dry them as well. Alright, so you're going to see the full result from start to finish. So hopefully it'll just help you upkeep your skills, yeah, with the colouring and the cutting. Okay, so I'll just finish up and then I'll come back.